Yo, what's up guys? I'm gonna make a isolation haircut. As you can see, my hair is growing so much, and I literally get my hair cut every week. I know it's kind of plain, but oh well. This is what it looks like from before. Let me go round. So guys, these are the products that I used, and in this video I'm gonna go through all the steps. First thing I used was a Gillette beard trimmer. It's really good to bring out a good fade, trying to give it a skin fade. So I made sure I got every bit of hair from all around, so I can use the next foil razor, which I'm going to show you.
This is not a tactic to expose you, babe. I'm just trying to see you in your moment, baby. No, this is not a tactic to expose you, babe. I'm just trying to see you.
This next product that I use is a Brun. It's a foil shaver. It's pretty decent for giving a good tight skin fade. I use this in generally everywhere if I want to like give it a nice trim around my body as well. It's quite satisfying, guys. It's really good for your quick shave when you're in a hurry.
This is not a tactic to expose you, babe. I'm just trying to see you in your moment, baby. No, this is not a tactic to.
As you can see, it's not perfect, so it's the best what I can do for myself. I'm gonna try and get my girlfriend to help me neaten it up a bit and give it a perfect round circle. Other than that, guys, you could probably use your fruit bowl. Never tried that before, but I'm sure it may work if you've got no one else in the house to help you. The next step is to give it a blend in. This is when you go into like 0.5 with I used a Baby Bliss clipper, and you try and blend the line so there's no line showing. This is a bit of a tricky bit, so I might need a bit of help and a bag, but I tried my best. The Baby Bliss has like 2 levels, so you can up the level up and down and maybe give it a bit of a try. I did try and mess around with it, as this is my first attempt to cut my hair myself and give myself a skin fade. Hopefully the second attempt might be even better, but so far it's looking a bit decent. Yeah. I also got this, well, beard trimmer, beard shaper should I say, and it was alright. I didn't really use it as much, but I gave myself a good shape up myself. I prefer doing it myself anyway, but if you guys do want to try it, it is recommended. I find a disposable Wilkinson razor to just shave off the excess bits around the neck. You can also use a number 2 and number 3 to make it blend it upwards. I used the Gillette beard trimmer to get rid of the line, and this is what it looked like. Just like you ladies, us guys want to feel a bit sexy in isolation. So yeah, here's the final product. Hope this tutorial has given you a good guide to cutting your own hair, boys.